Windbell Machinery is a high-tech company located in Zhengzhou National High and New Technology Industries Development Zone. Parent company began to manufacturing air compressor from year 2006. In year 2011, Windbell Machinery was registered as an independent subsidiary. Windbell Machinery has responsible employees equipped with 15 testing machines working in the plant area of 2,200 square meter. A qualified profile R&D team with experience in developing products with the GHH Rand and Rotorcomp has 13 patents granted. The company can produce 3,500 air compressors every year. We believe that without an quality management system, you cannot make quality products. With ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and CE certifications, the company aims to be a pioneer in offering consumers efficient, energy-saving, and environment-friendly solutions in the application of air compressor. Based on its R&D output, the company has successfully applied its solution to the field of mining, tunneling, outdoor construction, and its technology also facilitates the production of medical oxygen generators and textile equipment. The products are sold to Southeast Asia, Central Asia, Middle East, Africa, Eastern Europe, and America. We are looking forward to establishing business relationships with clients all around the world and welcome to visit our factory if convenient.